What's going on, everybody? It's Nico Moreno here, and in today's video, what we're going to be talking about is I'm going to open up and unbox my Dan Henry $50,000 a month award. Alright, so what you guys are going to see is I'm going to open up the award here. I'm going to show you guys exactly what's inside. It says open up here, and as you can see, this is from getclients.com. I blacked out my address because, for obvious reasons, safety and whatnot. Oh my god. Why did that happen? How hard is it to take a video of me opening my award? Awesome, guys, we're back. If that thing broke, we're all good. We're gonna open up this award now, and yeah, so you can see here, it is from getclients.com over out in good old Florida, and I blacked out my address just because hashtag safety. Okay. So, and hashtag stranger danger. So let's go ahead and this is open right here. And trying to cut this. The only sharp thing that I had readily available other than a knife that wouldn't slice my hand open was these keys. So, here we go. Okay. Almost there. 3 hours later. Oh, God, okay. There we go. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna open up the box. It says open here. There's all these like peanuts or whatever. I don't wanna spill them all over the floor, but let's see how this goes. Okay, they're spilling. Okay. Moreno, opium spire. Oh, it says opium spire, 13 inches. All right, that sounds badass. I like that. Oh, the camera's gonna fall over. Oh my gosh, it's really heavy. Wow. Okay, let's put this on the floor. Okay, here we go. There's the top. It's off. I'm gonna try and lift this up while I open it. Gosh, it is really, really heavy though. Okay. I got like a letter here. It says, congratulations, Nico Moreno. I can't really read it. I would like to personally welcome you to the 50K Club. Yay! Please accept this award as a testament of your well-deserved success. You are a true example that hard work really does pay off. Be sure to send in your unboxing videos as well as a photo of you and your new award. To your continued success, Dan Henry. Thanks, Dan Henry and the whole Dan Henry team. Gosh, it is really heavy. I'm so shocked. Does not look, okay. Whew. All right. Here we go. Boom. 50K, baby. Look at that. I'm gonna try and like, okay, yeah, you can read it, right? Okay, so let's read exactly what this says, because that's pretty dang cool. All right, it says 50K, Nico Moreno. Inducted into the 50K Club for earning over $50,000 in a single month with education from getclients.com. Yes, it is like, there you go. Said it all. Perfect. I love this award. I think it's so cool. It's just like, it's sharp, like literally and figuratively. It's just like on point. And like I said, you guys, it is like very, very, very heavy. So this is a well-made quality award. I think it's glass, I can hear that. Okay, so I'm so glad that I made this investment into myself and into my business. And obviously it's paid off like so freaking many times over. Like this is just for 1 month. It's not even funny. It was just a $1,000 investment, like totally freaking worth it, okay? So absolutely do this for yourself. It's worth it. And let me see what this little card says. It's not from the Dan Henry team, just from the award company. But boom, here we go, guys, 50K. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm just a person. That's literally what I tell people, right? I'm just a person. If I can do it, you can do it. You just need the right mentors, the right support. You need to believe in yourself. You need to invest in yourself. And you need to keep going even when it gets hard, right? Because it's not always easy. But if there's one thing that I can promise you, it is that the end is so worth it. And the reality is, you guys, like, this is just the beginning for me. This is just the beginning, all right? Next award coming very, very soon. All right, thanks you guys so much. I really, really appreciate it. And it's been Nico Moreno here. I will see you guys next time.